Can you believe this industry could actually replace real estate in the next decade? Hi guys, I'm Andy, the founder of CJdropshipping. Let me show you more ways to make success. Etong, a company from Shenyang, Liaoning, specializes in developing, manufacturing, and selling space capsule houses. Their short videos on social media about these capsules have racked up millions of views and likes this year. You'd think such a high-ticket item would scare people off, but the comments show a ton of interest and excitement. So, what's a space capsule house? It's a movable home that comes with everything you need: kitchen, bathroom, appliances, and even Bluetooth and temperature control system for comfort all year round. It only takes about an hour to set up after you connect the water and electricity. These capsules can last up to 50 years and are recyclable. The cheapest option starts at around $20,000 for a well-equipped 25 square meter space. Market predictions say the global capsule house market could grow from about $232 million in 2023 to around $456 million by 2032. And now, Etong has already shipped its capsules to over countries including the US, France, and Japan. As land for building gets scarcer and regulations tighten, space capsules offer a flexible housing solution without needing land changes. Whether for hotels, campsites, or helping those in need, this futuristic industry is set to get a lot more attention in the coming years. So, what do you think about all this?